Hey everyone, how you doing today? Back out here in the shop, working away on the SVO. Pulled the H-pipe out the other day because I have a leak going on at the passenger side header, and it's been driving me nuts. I mean, to be honest with you, that's the reason I didn't take the SVO out to any shows or anything last year, because it irritated me big time. Most guys saying they could barely hear it, but you know, being the owner of the car, you can hear the little idiocies, nuances of your car, and that tick, 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 tick that I heard out of the header H-pipe connection was just driving me nuts. So anyways, I'll see what I can do. I picked up some of this. I'm going to put that on. Well, there's the H-pipe. So the plan is, not sanded, but I used wire brushing to clean up the connections as best I can. So I got most of the crap out of there. So the plan is to put a little light film around here and on the other end on the header, snug it up, and hopefully that won't leak. And if that fails, well, at the end of this video, you won't see a happy Gus. You'll see a Gus that's taking his car in to have a muffler shop fix it. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, I got the H-pipe back in. It's got to sit for an hour before I torque it back down again. But, well, that side wasn't the problem, but she's back in together. I got to wait an hour, this was the problem side here, so fingers crossed that it works. But yeah, get a shot of the undercarriage as well. It's up in there. And a shot of the underside of my car as well. Well, hopefully that takes. Fire it up tomorrow once it's set, and hopefully she'll sound good and the exhaust leak will be gone. Fingers crossed. Alright, well, that didn't work, so looks like I'm gonna have to take it in to get the exhaust done, because I'm done with that. Can't fix it. I give up. I can hear it, and I can actually feel it coming out the far side towards the engine. It's pissing me off.